Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are diving into the top 5 inventory management software in 2025. We will compare Zoho inventory, Square for retail, then Odoo shortly, and Bitrix24. Whether you are a small business, e-commerce store owner, or managing a warehouse, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which platform fits your needs. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to understand what is inventory management software actually. So actually, inventory management software helps you to track stock levels in real time. Then it helps you to manage orders, suppliers, and warehouse. It allow you to make stocking automations. Then it helps you to avoid over stocking and stock out. Then it helps you to improve accuracy and save time. Now let's compare the top 5 platform one by one. So first of all, we are going to talk about the Zoho platform. Let's talk about the feature of Zoho inventory. It is best for small to medium business with multi-channel sales. Then the key feature, if I mention that, is as you can see the product, there is order and inventory tracking. Then it has multi-channel selling like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, etc. And then it helps you to shipping integrations like FedEx, USPS, etc. Then it has barcode scanning options. Then it will help you to make your workflow automations. If I talk about the pros and cons, then definitely I will talk about that it is pricing is so much affordable. Let's go and talk about the pricing. So here I just need to scroll down. Then here I will get the option for pricing. If I don't get, then I will copy the link and then I will try to open it into the incognito window, because you just need to understand the pricing. So here I hope here we have this pricing options. So here you can see this is the all products they are giving us. So main thing is it is affordable, then it works well with Zoho ecosystem, and it has a clean interface. As you can see, if I click over here, then search for commerce, then we have project management, then service, finance, and many things. So the interface is really clean and it is so much friendly for beginner. And if I talk about the cons, then it has limited free plan. So in the free plan, you are not allowed to explore it with updated version. So you just need to be shipped your to premium plan to use further more features on this Zoho platform. Then it may require Zoho CRM for fully functionality. So the free plan available on Zoho, but paid plan is set from $39 per month. So next we are going to shift on squareup.com. So SquareUp for the retail, and it is based for retail business using Square POS, and its key feature is it has built-in POS and inventory tools. As you can see that there is a hardware, payment, customers, staff, banking, and developers also. If you see that payments option, then we have more discovered that called POS. The full meaning is point of sale. Then we have restaurant POS, and if I go to the hardware here, you can see they are providing us some apps, and then they have vendor and purchase order tracking. Also they have stock alerts and analytics. Also they provide barcode level printing, which is really helpful for a retailer. Then if I talk about the pros, then that is it has seamless with Square POS, and it is easy to use, and it has great for in-store online selling options. Then always, if it has a pros, then definitely it will have some cons also. So Square Up has some cons, that is it has limited advanced feature and geared more toward brick and mortar. Then if I talk about the pricing, then here you can see the pricing. It's free for users, $0 monthly. If you want to use the premium plan, then it is started from $29 per month. So it has the free trial available, but plus plan is start at $60 per month. I hope you understand. Then let's go and talk about the Odoo platform. It is the well-known inventory platform in the planet of Earth. It is best for business needing scalable, customizable ERP. Here you can see their apps. Here we have a bunch of apps in Odoo. If I talk about the key feature, then I definitely need to be mentioned that is it has advanced warehouse management. Like you can like accommodate on multi-location and roads. Then you have the option to make it automatic replacement. Then it also provides barcode and serial tracking. Then it is full integration with accounting, sales, CRM, and also etc. Then if I talk about the pros, then it has open source and customizable. Like the Odoo is an open source and customizable app. Then it has powerful automation, and if you are scaling your business, then you can scale with your business with the Odoo. Then let's go and talk about the cons. That is, you can be complex, like it can be complex for beginners. If you are newbie, then I will definitely never suggest you to go with the Odoo. There are some other apps available in the market, you can go with them. Then we have another that's called requires startup or setup and hosting if self-managed. Then if I talk about the pricing, then I will definitely talk about the pricing. That is start around $25 per month per app user, and free itself hosted in community version. Then let's go and talk about the shortly inventory simplified. It is a totally like particularly made for the inventory platform. So here it is best for small business, then contractors and mobile teams. And if I talk about the key feature, then it has great visual inventory with photos. Then it also provides barcode QR scanning similar to other platform, and it has the custom field and tags. Also it is available on offline, like you can access it offline by mobile app. Then if I talk about the feature and pros, then it is very user friendly. It is ideal for field inventory or mobile teams, and it has a great mobile app too. Also, if I talk about the cons, then I will definitely mention it has limited reporting tools. It is a drawback. Then it is no full accounted or POS integration. And if I talk about the pricing, it starts from free plan. Here you can see $0 per month, and this feature will be available on free plan. Then the paid plans start from $20 per month. Here you can see this feature you will get from that place. This is the thing. So you can go with this platform shortly.com if you are totally a beginner. Then let's go and talk about Bitrix24. So here it is a base for teams wanting a free all-in-one CRM, then project and inventory shoot. And if I talk about the key feature, it has great inventory tracking method. Then it comes with CRM and sales integration. Also it has quotes and invoicing. Also it has Kanban and get project views. So the pros, if I talk about that, is it has massive feature. As you can see, their product here, massive feature you will get. Then it has free cloud plan and great for team collaboration. Then the talk I need to mention that is it has complex interface and the inventory tools less robust than others. So if I talk about the pricing, here you can see the pricing. It has doesn't has any free plan. The basic plan starts from $49 per month. So I hope you understand. So it's totally up to you which one should you use. Like you can choose Zoho inventory if you want simple and multi-channel selling. You can choose Square either if you already use Square POS or run a physical store. Either you can choose Odoo If you need scalable, advanced operation or ERP, then you can go ahead with shortly for visual and mobile friendly inventory because it has a mobile apps. You can choose Bitrix24 if you want inventory plus CRM plus task and all in one in a place. Then you can go with Bitrix24. So I hope this video was really helpful. No matter your business size or industry, there is an inventory tool built for you. Start with free trials and explore what fits your workflow best. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below which tool you are using or want a full tutorial on. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.